This is what happened when your son-in-law is trying hard.
Do you want to?
Oh my god.
He's trying hard and putting some holes on the wall. Look at this guy. He has a big arm. Look at his arm. Allah! Ay, nako.
Okay, let's see. Oh, fuck.
We did it's upside down.
No, but I don't think it even reaches.
Even worse.
Bullshit.
Stressful, Hamant. Look. He doesn't even know.
You can do it. Okay, he did the first two.
It's not gonna work. Shit.
He's shaking.
You fucked up.
Yeah.
You
yeah.
fucked up. You trusted me with this.
Ay, nako. It's your daughter. It's not mine. That's enough.
Why is it not in?
Ay, nako. Emanie, you ready to pop out?
There you are now.
Anyway,
Okay na yan.
is this in? It's not supposed to go upside down, I think.
Yeah, I can. It looks good.
Oh, that's better.
It's not in.
But it's not in.
How am I supposed to put my jelly cats? Figure it out.
Look at this. There's a light. Put.
What do you mean this is supposed to go in? It shouldn't matter if it's upside down or not.
He's shaking.
No second.
He's nervous.
I'm not nervous. How's this?
Yes, you are.
How's this? Look.
Why does it look crooked?
Ay, naku, Hamant.
It's perfect.
No, it's not.
Ask your viewers.
Oh my God. Look at...
Yes, perfect. Like this?
Ayan, ayan, ayan. Like that.
Good.
Oh, I gotta move the hole in.
Huh?
It's doing that thing and it puts us down.
Try both sides? You do both sides?
Oh.
It's fine.
That's okay. That's
Leave
good.
Leave
That's
it,
good.
Leave it, yeah.
Did it work?
Yeah, it looks
Yeah,
good on
that's
Mom's
better.
video. Yeah, it looks good.
Mm.
Yay, I can decorate it.
Ala.
Maybe I should put this one on there, actually. That's what I want.
That's what you did to put? Oh, this is like, what do you call this? The one at the mall. What is it called? Indigo.
Yeah.
Looks like indigo. Uh-huh.
It looks so cute. You see?
Cute. This is like indigo.
I don't know. Maybe even Vash can style this nicely next time she comes in here. I want the pretty books in front.
Where's the jelly cat going?
It's sporadic. I need to put a plant.
That's cute.
I need to put a plant. No, it's not the same size.
Put my jade in there.
Yeah, go get one.
No, not yet. I'll make you one. I have some at work. I'll bring it here. That looks good in here.
I think these are fine, actually.
So I have to bring it home. So cute. Only small ones.
Is that all the jelly cats?
Yeah.
It's a lot. She has more than most adults.
Nako.
Wow.
Up there.
Here, right?
Yeah. Cute.
I can have more things.
Dated this I put the plant in there. She said it's too big. She's ready to go. Yes. The light has been changed. Look at the light right there. And that's a curtain. And then this one. She has the... I know. Okay, what's your unboxing this time?
You tell me, what does it say?
I don't know.
Read it.
Oh, 3-in-1 bouncer. Don't put it in there. You're gonna get the couch dirty.
Oh, true. Someone can say that in the comments.
Oh my goodness, Ahmad. What's in there? 3-in bouncer? Oh, Janlei bought it. That's so cute.
Yeah, it's body put together.
Why that's a big box? Then that's the only thing
Comes
in
with
there.
platinum.
Where?
Platinum.
Wow.
Real steel. Made by BMW Mercedes.
You're so saucy. That's so cute.
Wow. Whoa, I just cracked it.
You broke it already?
Put the newborn insert.
What is that? Newborn insert?
Yeah, the baby fell. Scary.
Oh my god, why you drop your baby?
Wow, this is so nice. Look at this color.
So cute.
Beige, so cream,
So you
ivory.
put her in there
And then just...
so that she's elevated and it comes out. How is that?
Oh my gosh!
Pretty sure you can secure that part.
It has to be secure.
Oh yeah, look at the sides. So we got
You have to lock it or something.
clock. See?
Oh.
What is this?
Can you check the instruction at least? Oh my goodness.
This part has to go through here. What do you do?
Okay.
Okay.
This is the book.
Oh my god, why you want me to do this? I'm the one filming.
I believe in you.
I know. Evolve. No, I can't. I don't understand this, Amant. It's Chinese.
Wow.
It's Chinese.
I'm pretty sure this stays in like this. Let's see. So it doesn't move.
There's no English version.
Ergo baby. It's so
Oh my gosh.
I like it.
Mm-hmm. What? So she's complete stuff. She got a complete stuff now. How's Emanie? How's the baby? How are you? Hello. Wow, look at you. Look at this big lady. I'm so tired. What are you doing?
I love it. It's such a pretty color.
Yeah.
See, it's really expensive.
Very nice.
It's an
Really?
expensive color.
Is it expensive?
Yeah.
How much is it?
Well, he could have gotten it for cheaper if he got it earlier.
How much is
He
it?
took his time, so.
You're looking at $7.99
How much is it?
and bought. Just kidding.
Tell me.
I'm not gonna tell you on the recording.
No. Why not?
Wow, it goes with the blanket.
She doesn't want to tell.
The view of the inside of this
Mm-hmm.
goes with this.
What's in there?
See the color match.
Oh, yes. Beige as well.
Wow.
We're just waiting for her.
That's this is her area. Jeez, it's set up with the peanut.
Cute.
Peanut's watching over her. See?
Where's Peanut? Oh, it's right there. Peanut!
24-hour baby.
If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.